Hey everybody, let me show you the easiest way to log out of your user and log into another user. If you have a computer with multiple users, there's different ways to do it, but the easiest way is to press three keys: Control, Alt, and Delete, all at the same time. I'm going to press those three. When you press those two, you're going to get this menu. Whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, you'll get the same menu. So number one is you could just switch user. So if you switch user, it's just going to bring you up to the menu for the new user. The previous user stays logged in, so you may or may not want to do that. The probably better way to do it is to just sign out, because that way that logs out the user and then you start fresh. So I would probably go with sign out. That's going to sign out of your current user. And actually, I'm not going to sign out because it closes when you it closes all your programs. So I actually don't want to do that. So yeah, if you do the sign out, you're going to close out anything that was open prior. So if you don't have anything going on, sign out. If you do got stuff going on, like I do now, I'm just going to do a switch user, and I'll show you what happens when we do that. If I could close this out. Right, so I'm going to press that again, Control, Alt, Delete, and we'll go to switch user, which is better. That way, the previous user, Windows, all that stuff stays there. So it's going to come here to the next, to the login, and you'll see the different users down here at the bottom. So if you're going to switch, you're just going to click the new user there, and then log into that user. So if the other users got things going on and you want to leave them open, then just switch. But keep in mind also, if you switch users and the other user has things open that are not saved and things like that, and then later on you wind up forgetting that that their user is open, and then you shut it down, you will wind up, closing out all their programs and stuff. So here I'm in the other, basically in the other user already. Okay. The other way is, depending on your Windows, but I mean the other way is to just go down here to your Windows key, and then if this is your actual user, if you click on your user there, then you do get a window to sign out. So you can do that as well if you find that easier. So here I'm just signing out of my current user. Then we come back here. So then I go back to my original user there. So either way, whichever one you find easier. And Windows 11 might be a little different. That was Windows 10 that I was on. Here I got a Windows 11 computer here. Windows 11, if we go to this, yeah, it's a little different, because here if you go to your user, yeah, no. So here, if you're on Windows 11, then you're gonna right-click the Windows key, right-click it, and then you're gonna come here, shut down or sign out, and then sign out. So here you don't have, if you go through this menu, you don't have the option to switch user. Here you can only sign out and then go to the other user. But you could still do the Control Alt Delete on this one as well, which I'll show you. Control Alt Delete. So Control Alt Delete on Windows 11, switch user or sign out, either way. So probably the Control Alt Delete is it's probably the easier of the two, because it's just one step. Click on those three, instantly the menu comes up, and then you can decide switch user or log out. And that's what's going on right here right now at PC 911.